How to disconnect Google account from the Uber Eats app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to remove your Google account from Uber Eats, well, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to disconnect your Google login from the Uber Eats app in just a minute. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon or the account tab, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Manage Uber Account. So here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your Uber account section. Now here at the top you can see several tabs. So from there you simply have to tap on security. And now here under the security, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as connected social apps. And below that option you can see the Google. So here, as of right now, it's connected with my Google account. So here, to disconnect the Google account from the Uber Eats app, I just have to tap on the disconnect button beside that option. So here, simply tap on disconnect, and after that confirm it by tapping on disconnect again. And after that, the Google account will be disconnected from your Uber Eats app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.